Hey guys, it's your girl, it's Ethiopian, and I'm here with
Urban Harvested.
And we just finished creating a video on how you can make your own natural soaps. Now in this video, we're going to be detailing the benefits of making your own soap versus going to the store and buying your own. Don't forget, you can @ my handle at It's Ethiopian on Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr, and check out my new website, dearethiopia.org. Urban Harvested can be reached at
Urban_Harvested on Instagram.
Alrighty. So tell us some of the reasons why you want to go through the extra step of making your own soap.
So this is a process. It will take maybe like half day Saturday or maybe once every 6 months. The reason why I personally chose to was because our skin absorbs toxins, whether it's environmentally or the things that we put on our skin. And this is a way that we can do our part to minimize the toxins we take in our skin. For instance, just looking at the regular ingredients on a bar of soap in the store, there's things like sodium cocoate, sodium palm, sodium palmate, sodium tallowate, palm acid, things that I don't know. If I saw them out in the store by themselves, I wouldn't know what they were. Here in this soap, this is probably things that you have in your cupboard right now. Castor oil, coconut oil, olive oils, things that you can actually eat going in the soap. So I'm not sure why you would need those store-bought items or ingredients in your soap when you can just make soaps can be made out of natural oils and lye. There you go. Right. So this is just one basic soap recipe. There's so many things. You can be more creative. You can make soap that's more aesthetically appeasing. This soap is just, it's just beige and it has a nice little rugged looking rustic top here. It's very functional. It smells delicious. But you can also, and this is by hot process with a crock pot. There's cold process where you can make a more creamy soap, more smooth, and you can add colors to it. You can add flowers to it, and you can actually make some to sell. So if you just want to make some for your family and friends, just pass out, that's fine. But you can also make this into a business where you're making soap that's very, very pleasing to the eye as well. So online, you have resources like thesage.com. There's Bramble. I believe she'll link it in the description box, but there's a website called Bramble that also tells you about different oils you can use in your soap. And you can start from there, but basically just get started. It's easy. It doesn't take a chemist to do it.
And what I love about the soap is if you know what your skin likes, you can go ahead and put them in the soap. For example, if you like tea tree oil on your face, instead of just putting the tea tree on there, you can also get another dose by putting it in your soap.
Yeah. So you can tailor it to yourself. This is a good way of loving yourself. We're in the month of February, so.
Well, that concludes our video. Again, if you have any questions, please hit up Urban Harvested on Instagram at urban_Harvested. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. She'll be keeping up with the comments. And you can always hit me up at It's Ethiopian. Bye.
Bye.